Hi there! You are watching Gizmo Journal. This is the second part of the film-style video tutorial, using the Wondershare Filmora mobile app. In the first part, we learned how to add black borders at the top and bottom of your videos to make them look cinematic. In addition to that, we talked about color grading using Luts and Filters, and finally, how to find and apply film-style transitions to your videos. Let us start this second and final part with cinematic titles. So click the text menu at the bottom. Go to Templates. There are hundreds of ready-made title templates available to use. For the film look, we should use classic fonts with black and white or subdued color schemes. Since the topic of the project is travel, we can directly look for the travel text templates, curated for the topic. Click to edit different parts of the text fields. Despite being an editing software for smartphones, editing complex templates is quite intuitive. Also, move the text by tapping and dragging. Apart from templates, there are word arts you can use. In the Animation tab, you will see previews of different animation styles, in and out. I would suggest you to go with Combo, having both in and out animations. Then change the text font as per your liking. For the cinematic look, this text font is very suitable. Let me add more text and show you the Style tab options. You can modify the text in different ways, add backgrounds, which might look quite nice in few scenes. Change the background shape accordingly, and there. Lastly, text style can be modified in many ways, like by changing the color, size, and opacity. So this is how, with cinematic text, you can give your videos a film look. Next, and the most crucial part of cinematic videos, is sound design. So, click the audio menu at the bottom. In the Filmora audio library, there are numerous music available for you to use in your videos. So, find the most suitable cinematic music to use as background score in your project. These are categorized in genres, and there is even a category for travel-related music for you. That's very convenient. Click the plus key to directly add to the project. Make sure it's not too loud, so lower the volume as required. And also add fade in and fade out. In the Filmora app, you can also generate audio using AI. In the AI music, select the mood. Let us go with peaceful. Then select the theme. Once again, there is an option for travel. Select the duration and the number of music you want AI to generate for you. Click Generate. So finding the perfect cinematic background music in the Filmora mobile app is very easy. Thank you for watching Gizmo Journal. Let's check the final result now.